Showko, did you pay the bill? I asked you to remind me. I just did. Oh no, can you turn on the backup generator, please? Oh, good. Okay, I gotta pay the bill. Okay. Oh, message from landlord. They are raising our rent by $500 per week. Oh no! That's okay. We can manage. Oh, another message from landlord. What? They are opening sushi shop next to us. Oh, that's a tough competitor. That's okay. We can manage. Oh. Another message. Oh no. That's a breaking news. Brussels sprouts shortage. What? Oh no! I can't manage you! What happened to be happy with who you are? I am happy with Brussels sprouts in my pants. That's who I am! That sounds like my son, Takeru.
City music off. Mom, I've been accepted to business school.
Congratulations! Finally good news! Which school?
Harvard Business School.
What? Harvard? You mean US?
Yes, it will cost $60,000 in accommodation and if it's too much, I don't need to go.
Oh no, Takeru. Mom is rich. I'm doing very well.
Really?
Yes, look at this.
Sure?
Yes, you should go.
Okay, thank you, Mom. City music on.
What are you gonna do, Showko? I know exactly what to do. Hello, Mr. Kubrick? Yes, Showko, yes. I changed my mind. I'm going to take the role. However, I'm not going to change my looks. Yes, you have to accept me for who I am. That's right. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Kubrick. How did it go? He said no. Bastard. But he was impressed by my strong will and determination. So he gave me a different role. What is it? Dance choreographer. What? Has he seen your dance? No, why? Oh, you make sure sign the contract before he does. Anyway, let's celebrate! Lick, sip, and soak! Yay! Lick, sip, and soak!
He wore black denim trousers and motorcycle boots, a black leather jacket with a he had a hopped up party that took off like a gun.